Good morning, it is 8 o'clock. I am out of bed and I am so tired. I really wanted to sleep in today, but I got up. I am going to get reading. I am still so tired, but my reading and my meditation is done. I ended up doing a 10-minute meditation to energize yourself first, and then I read 10 pages and it was hard to get through the 10 pages, but I did it. And it is almost 8:30 now. This is some C4 powder because I need caffeine to energize myself. And breakfast a lot of the time is strawberries with Nutella because it gives me the energy to get out of bed. And I'm getting to the end of my Nutella. And while I eat, I'm gonna place a delivery order for Walmart because I need some stuff. Pigs are happily eating their breakfast here and there, and if you guys watched yesterday's video, you know about this disaster that happened that I didn't finish cleaning up because it was just, I was too exhausted. So that I'm going to do in a little bit. But my sister is gonna take my dog for a walk and asked if I wanted to come. So that will be really good to wake me up. So I'm gonna go do that. Medicine time for Nugget. You ate all the medicine. I got my 2 perfect lessons at glitching out and not filling the bar all the way. But you can see it says 2 out of 2 completed. And so now I'm gonna do my journaling for the day, and it's 9:10. April 3rd, Finding My Flow, day 3. Yesterday was a roller coaster of emotions. I went out at the end of the night for trivia and darts and I had a really good time. I smoked some weed and enjoyed myself. Is that really so wrong to not feel guilty? I still followed my role. I feel extra tired today, which is the downfall, but getting through it is easier because of this challenge. I also do regret snacking when I got home. I know I shouldn't have done it, but I felt like I couldn't help it. I'm stressed out financially, but trying to stay hopeful that by the end of this month that stress will start to dissipate. In only 3 days I've seen so much growth within myself. I know it's impossible to not succeed in whatever I put my mind to. It's a gloomy day today, which is perfect for inward focus and healing. I can't have nice things because that is one of my favorite pint glasses that just totally fell on its own. That I got in when I was on vacation in another country, so I'm gonna have to go back and get another one when I go again later this year. Well, that happened. I'm very upset, but I can't do anything about it. Except for go back to that brewery when I go to Canada again later this year and get another one. After a couple hours of editing, I have made myself some quesadillas for lunch. I was talking to my aunt the other day, and let me know in the comments if you guys relate to this. But I was saying how, you know, I'll get hungry and I have things I can cook and things I can eat, but I don't feel like cooking. Like, it took me 5 minutes to prep and cook this, but I'd be lazy and not feel like doing that. So I'll walk around and snack and spend more time eating snacking than it would have taken me to just cook the damn thing in the first place. And then I'm eating so many calories that I don't need. So today I was reminded myself of that conversation and I just made myself the damn quesadillas. So they're just flour tortillas with mozzarella cheese, lettuce, and some lime juice. If I had salsa, I'd put salsa on it too, but I don't, and it's so good. It's 12:10 and I'm up to 2,000 steps, and editing and YouTube stuff is done for for today challenge-wise, but I'm still gonna work more on it. In 2 hours, I have to leave to go to work. So I'm gonna try and get my hobbies done an hour at that. I'm using different darts than I normally use, and these ones are a lot lighter. So I have been aiming for bullseye this whole time, and I just like don't know what I'm doing. Actually, I'm gonna have to get it even if it's just by luck. But so if you remember from yesterday's video, I am putting eyes and faces on these emotional support pickles. And this bag is completed. This bag is, I have half of them left. And those are the complete ones that I've been working on. But I've been somewhat flying through. Once I finish with the black parts of the eyes, I'm gonna put them all back in the bag and then do the white parts of the eyes around it, and then I have to sew on the mouths. And it's not hard, it's just a lot of busy work. And I also worked 15 minutes on my diamond painting, and I made some good progress. I have 10 more that I have to do that are in this bag, but I'm gonna take a little break, and because it's 1 o'clock and I have to leave my house at 2, so I'm gonna get dressed. So it seems that getting my 10,000 steps is going to be the hardest thing, which I was expecting, but I wasn't expecting it to be as difficult as it has been. It's 1:15 and I'm at 2,700 steps, and I have to leave at 2 o'clock and it's raining outside. So I'm gonna walk on my walking pad and try and get as many steps in as I can before I have to go. So I just got home from work and then cutting my grandpa's hair. I have to feed the guinea pigs. I normally have like tubs filled with like pre-chopped veggies and stuff, but I have to go to the store and stock up on a bunch of stuff. So they're getting a lettuce tonight, and then I have to take a nice cold shower because I'm developing like some sort of allergic reaction to the deodorant I've been wearing for years, and I'm getting like a rash and it sucks. I know, I'm sorry I got home a little late today. You're all hungry. It's like I never feed you. Don't worry, they are gonna be eating much more than that for dinner. That's just dinner number 1 because I really want to get in the shower. She likes giving me kisses when I feed her. Yes, you're welcome. All right, it's 8:25 right now. I was just on my walking pad for 5 minutes trying to get the rest of my steps in. So now I'm at 9,400. When I got home, I was at like a little over 8,000. And I really want to get to 10. So I did 5 minutes. And if I do another 5, I should be there. And here we go. Health rings are all completed. Finally got the 10,000 steps for the day. And it is 8:30. So the steps is definitely, so far, the hardest part. But I just realized that walking on the treadmill for 10 minutes got me about 1,000-ish steps. So it's really not as hard as I thought it would be, because I can easily here and there just walk 10 minutes on the treadmill and get there so much faster. So tomorrow I'm gonna try and get my 10,000 steps earlier than I have so far this challenge. So tomorrow's gonna be the 4th. The first day I got done at 7 p.m. and that has been the earliest I got it done. So I'm gonna try and get it done before 7 p.m. tomorrow. And I think I'm gonna be volunteering at the animal shelter again tomorrow. So that should definitely help me get my steps in. And so with that being said, I am going to smoke and edit for the rest of the night.